Okay. Hello everyone. Today's my topic is to percentage. I write a some word 12,000 of 1% of 1%. So you can see there is a percentage and percentage have a 20. So I cross out a 20. And you can see this is a percentage. So I write first of all 120. So there is a 20. So I put the point on. The answer is 1.20. Okay, I write a second example. You can see there is a 15,000. There is a 15,000 of a 1%. So percentage have a 20. So I cross out the 20. So my answer is 150. So this is my answer. Okay, I am going to with a third example. You can see I write a 8,000 of 2%. You can see there is 8,000, 80,000. So percentage have a 20. So I cross out a 20. So my answer is 180 multiply 2 means my answer is 360. Okay, 80,000 over 2% means 360. I write a second example. You can see I write a 750 of 1%. You can see there is a percentage and percentage have a 20. So I cross out the 20. So my answer is a 75. I think you understand. I write a second example. You can see I write 80,000 of 1%. So percentage have a 20. So I cross out a 20. So my answer is 80. I write the next example. 1%, sorry, 1 rupees of 1%. So what is my answer? You can see there is a percentage, but there have a no zero. So I write a 1, but I add a 0 and I put the point and my answer is 0.01. If there is a 10, if there is a 10, so 10 over 1%. So what is my answer? I write a 10 percentage over 20. So 1 and 2. So I put the 0 and my answer is 0.10. If I add 1 0, 100 of a 1%. So what is my answer? Answer is I write, you can see percentage have a 20. So I cross out the 20. So my answer is a 1. If I add a 30, so percentage have a 20. So I cross out the 20. So my answer is a 10. If I add, like you can see, 1 of 1% of 1%. So you can see there is a 2 percentage. So what is my answer? First of all, I write an answer 1. There is a 4 0. So I am going to this way 1, 2, 3 and 4 because there is a 20 and there is a 20. This percentage have a 20 and this percentage have a 20. So I write a 4. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I put the point on this place. So my answer is a 0.0001. Okay, after I write add 1%. I write of add 1% of 1%. You can see 1 rupees of 1% of 1% of 1%. So what is my answer? I write a 1 first of all. You can see there is a 20, there is a 20 and this is a 20. Percentage have a 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is my answer? My answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Okay, so after that I write a next example. If 1 rupee is of 2% of 2%. So what is my answer? 1 multiply 2 means 2. 2 to the 4. So my answer is a 4. But you can see there is a 2 percentage and 1 percentage have a 2 0 and 2 percentage have a 4 0. So I write 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my answer is a 0.0004. If I add an amount of a 10% extra. So what is my answer? 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So my answer is 8. But I add another percentage. So my answer is, you can say 2, 2 or 2, 6, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So my answer is 0.000008. If I add another amount, I write another amount, you can see I write a 6 of 1% of 2% of 3%. So what is my answer? First of all, I 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 threes are 36. Okay, but you can see there is a percentage is 2 0, 4 and 6 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is my answer? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because there is a 2, 2 and 2, 6 0. So I going to a left side. Okay. After that, I write 100 of 20%. So what is my answer? You can see percentage have a 2 0. So I cross out the 2 0. So what is my answer? 25 multiply 1 means a 25. So my answer is a 25. After that, I write any amount like 1200 of 25%. So percentage have a 2 0. So I cross out the 2 0. So my answer is a 12 multiply 25. So what is my answer? What is the shortcut trick? 20 multiply 10. 25 tens are 250 and 25 multiply 2 means 50. So my answer is 300. Okay. After that, I write any amount. You can see. I write of 3%. So what is my answer? You can see there is a percentage. So I cross out the 2 0. So my answer is 3 ones are 3 and 0 to 0. 10 3s are 30. So my answer is 30. I write any amount. I write any amount. You can see. I write 80 of 3 percentage of 2 percentage. So what is my answer? You can see 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48 and 0. I put down the 0. But you can see there is a 2 percentage. So I have a 4 0. So I cross out a 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my answer is 0.04 480. Okay, I write any amount. You can see if I write 8,000 of 3% of 2% of 1%. So what is my answer? My answer is same. 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48. And because you can see there is a 2 3 percentage. So I left like okay, you can see there is a 3 0. So what is my answer? 2, 4 and 6. So I left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So my answer is 0.048. Okay. I think